Hello, and welcome to Feng Shui Friday. This is going to be a very short tip, but first I want to just make sure you know what Feng Shui is. Feng Shui literally translates to wind and water, but what it means is the flow of energy throughout your home. Really, that's the way we work with it here at Mindful Decluttering and Organizing. And you can actually feel the energy of your home. Leave a comment if you can tell where the energy is blocked in your home, usually where there's a lot of clutter or things that have not been tended to for a long time. Anyway, my tip for today has to do with your front door, your front entryway. This is very important in feng shui theory and also in terms of safety and just being able to move freely throughout your home. So, go outside, pretend you're coming into your home. If you'd like, you can shut your eyes and pretend that you've never been in your home. You're coming into it for the first time. Open your eyes and just look around. No judgment. We're just observing. What do you see? Do you see things that make you smile? If so, that's fantastic. Do you see things that really don't belong in your front doorway? That's important to note. So, my suggestion for you today, if you want to increase ease and flow in your home, spend just a little bit of time, 15 to 20 minutes, maybe even just 5 minutes, tidying up, decluttering your front entrance. That's it. I'm Pam Holland of Mindful Decluttering and Organizing.